Hello, my name is Matthew Aleksa, and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office in Grand Junction, Colorado. Today's topic for Colorado's Severe Weather Awareness Week is strong straight-line winds and large hail, which are major weather threats in Colorado. During the spring and summer months, Colorado has frequent thunderstorms, some of which are severe. In order for a thunderstorm to be considered severe, it must contain a minimum of 1-inch diameter hail and/or winds at or in excess of 58 miles per hour. The strongest storms can produce hail larger than softballs and winds in excess of 100 miles per hour. These hazards can pose a significant threat to life and property. Hail can damage vehicles, roofs, and windows, as well as cause harm to people due to their size and how quickly they fall from the sky. Hail is especially dangerous to agriculture and can seriously injure farm animals. Like hail, severe thunderstorms and the severe winds associated with those pose many risks. Often straight-line winds can be more damaging than a weak tornado. If you are at home or in a sturdy structure when severe thunderstorm strikes, you should move away from any windows into an interior room. If you are in a car, you should try and seek shelter inside. However, being in a vehicle is still safer than being outside. Like tornadoes, it is important to know the difference between a watch and a warning when it comes to severe thunderstorms. A watch means that conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms to develop. You should keep an eye on the weather. A warning means that a thunderstorm or line of thunderstorms that meets the severe criteria has been spotted and you should seek shelter immediately. Thank you for your time.